Welcome to RUiXU channel. In this video, we will show you the different installation ways for our classic product. 5 kWh server rack batteries, 6-slot cabinet, 10-slot cabinet, bucket rack, and daisy chain. We will introduce all the accessories that this video will cover. We offer two main types of cables, which are specially designed for our 5 kWh server rack batteries. This is the first type, and this is the second type. The first type have terminals on one side and 5 16 lugs on the other side. The other type have terminals on both ends. There are three kinds in our first type, and the only difference between these is the length. This is S30, this is S80, and this is S200. The length in detail has been shown in the picture down below. We will equip one set of S80 cables when you purchase the battery only, and when you purchase the battery along with our cabinet, we will equip S30 for you. Black is for negative, and red is for positive. This is our second type, and this is mainly using our daisy chain connections. And this is the bus bar, model RX10P, which we specially designed for our server rack batteries. We'll introduce two installation methods, and one involves bus bar and the other one does not, which is our daisy chain connections. Let's start with our bus bar kind. This is our cabinet, and this is the small cabinet, which is 210 pounds, which can store 6 batteries. And this is our large cabinet, which is 270 pounds that can hold up to 10 batteries. This is the back of our cabinet, which has 2 doors. And this is the front of our cabinet, which have 1 door. Let's open our cabinet now. The main difference between the front and the back is whether the bus bar is on the front or not. For these two installation methods, the cable we provide will be different. Since we default to front installations, we provide S30 cables. But if you prefer back installations, then you will use S80 cables. The effect of S80 cables is shown as follows. It looks much cleaner. But we will still default to sending S30 cables. Another advantage of our cabinet. In addition to the built-in bus bar being relatively clean and tidy, we also have wheels, so you can move them very smoothly, which is very convenient. Our small cabinet can hold up to 6 batteries, totaling 30 kilowatt hours. Our battery can support up to 48 connections in parallel, so we could support 8 small cabinets connecting in parallel simultaneously. The large cabinet can hold up to 10 batteries at the same time, so you could support 5 large cabinets connected in parallel at the same time. Our cabinet is pre-assembled and ready to use when you have it, and both front and back door is lockable, making them very secure. The third type is our bucket rack system, which has the greatest advantage for being cost-effective. We will provide S80 cables for this installation method, and the customers need to purchase the bus bar separately. This could support up to 9 batteries connected, and the rack can be stuck up to 9 units, and you could choose freely according to your needs. This connection method uses an S80 cables, and the rack mount system requires self-installations. Finally, the daisy chain installation method has the most significant advantage for being easy to install and not requiring a bus bar. However, this installation method supports a maximum of only 4 batteries in parallel, so it's suitable for customers who purchase fewer batteries and use D25 connecting cables. At the end of the video, comment down below what installation method would be the best to suit your need. If you want built-in bus bar, tiny, safe, high quality, and easy to move, you could choose 6-slot cabinet and 10-slot cabinet. If you want cost-effective, flexibility, and stackable, you could choose the bucket rack installation method. And if you are only purchasing a small number of batteries and less than 4, and only want easily installations, you could choose the daisy chain.
Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up if you find it helpful. Reach out to us if you have other questions. We will see you in the next video.